I just got a set of rear trailing arms from you all for my Mark 7 GTI. Will the car need to be lined after install?
Yep.
Yes.
Anytime you disconnect
Yeah.
anything that connects your wheels to the car and back on, you're going to want to verify that you've got it aligned
Yeah.
right.
Anytime you remove any suspension component, except maybe a sway bar, but like to Nate's point,
Well, yeah, that doesn't locate the
if
wheels.
it locates which way the tires point or it supports those parts, then yes, you will need an alignment. The other thing is the factory arm bushings are super squishy, and so even when your car is sitting static, your wheel is in a different spot than it will be when you install our rear trailing arms. Our rear trailing arms will rigidly and precisely locate the wheel um, in its ideal center spot without any squishing or movements. So just inherently going from squishy to rigid is going to require a totally new alignment
Yep.
to put the wheel back where it needs to be. But yeah, every time you disconnect a tie rod, a control arm, anything like that, or certainly replace it,
Right.
then you're gonna need an alignment. If you're local, come down. We do performance alignments. We do the best, the best ones for Audis and VWs here in town. But